Hey everyone, this is my Penncrest 20-inch box fan. This is probably from the 60s or thereabouts, just given from the way its design looks. It has a diffuser grille on it, but this is the more basic model that doesn't have electric reverse or the venturi ring. Anyway, in this video we're going to take a look around the fan and then give you a quick demonstration of it. So here's the badge on it. You can see that's in good shape with the retro Penncrest logo. The top of the fan, you can see the carry handle is still intact. The speed selector knob on this thing has got a really cool design on it. I love the plate and the little red arrow on the switch knob. The side of the fan. The back of the fan. You can see the motor there. I don't think that's a Macmillan. And the motor itself. You can see it's got the Lakewood branding on it. Anyway, we'll get into the demonstration now and we'll start this fan on high. And it carries on just a bit as it gets up to speed, so I think the blade's out of balance. Or it's just a less loose set speed. Go ahead and put it down to medium. It's got nice speed variation, and it really settles down and becomes a lot quieter. And we'll put it down to low speed now. And this is a really nice, slow, quiet speed. We'll bring it up to high again here. And we'll shut it off to watch it coast. And it does have a long spin down on it. Now it wouldn't be a box fan video without startup sounds, so we'll start it up on high here. Doesn't really have much of a startup sound to speak of, but we'll proceed through and give you medium. Again, no real discernible startup. Here's low speed now. And so with that, we'll go ahead and conclude this video. I'd like to thank you for watching, and please be sure to hit that subscribe button because we will have more to come. And with that, we will see you later.